Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today, maybe seeing if these are still viable. I've got some Johnson's Gypsophila Covent Garden, easy to grow, cut flower and summer border filler. So I've got some Jiffy pellets. These are peat free, if they're any good. I've done them a long time. Some of these are absolutely had it, but we'll see. First of all, I'm going to just put some water on these. We need a tray just so they expand. Just a little experiment. Yeah, that should be enough in there. So yeah, just let these absorb some water, start filling up. Some of them are, I'll get all the ones that are okay. Just move all the ones that have had it out. That one seems okay. Oh, so not too much. That one's had it. And 3 there. They've absolutely. That one's had it as well. Let's look at these. That one's okay. Up around the corner. So we'll just let them soak up the water, and then we'll get back. Yeah, as you can see, just starting to fill up nicely now. It's only taking a couple of minutes. Once they're all fully expanded, which is roughly starting to get that size, we shall then go back sowing some seeds. And I saw my first video, Gypsophila, sowing in compost, but unfortunately the coronavirus happened and I wasn't able to get back to the allotment, so everything died, and I had quite a few plants which I wasn't very happy about letting die. But the first lockdown, we didn't go anywhere, stayed in nice and safe. So I'm just going to sow these as soon as I've carried on rehydrating. Right, well, as you can see, these have all puffed up and rehydrated nicely now. All got little tops there for the seeds to go into. Long way around that one. So how many have I got there? I've got 5, 10, 15, 19 roughly. So I shall see, because you get so many seeds in one of these packets, 1500 seeds. So what I'm going to do with this now is just open it up. See what I've done with this is pull the date off, which you never do really. Really, they should be sown where they are to flower in, it says here, August to October in a prepared seed bed. That's why I'm using these pellets, because I've got some grow lights here. So with the grow lights I can fetch them all the way through from growing to flowering. A few on each one, like so. Right, I'm just going to get a little hole in each one like that. Make sure the seeds can get in there without spilling them. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to seeing these flower. Right, I've got 2 sets of 2 lights, LED grow lights downstairs on the underside of this bench that we're on. So just a few in each top of each one. I can always pull out the excess. There now. Yeah, this is made of cocoa fibre, this coconut husks that are mashed up. It's peat free, so nice sterile environment. And just do them like that. Just cover them over like so. And yeah, these will go in my need to propagate it downstairs, so we'll just put them in there first. Right, well here you go. These are there's 18, I thought it was 19, but 18 there. So these are under these two T5 double LED lights. You can see I've got some pelargonium cuttings there. I've got some delphiniums, some penstemons, and now these beautiful Gypsophila Covent Garden. So yeah, perfect for bees and butterflies. So we'll just see how they get on now. If you like my videos, folks, please subscribe, and please give me a thumbs up, and please click the bell. If you're on Facebook, please follow me. Thank you for watching, everybody. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Everybody, please keep safe. Thank you for watching. Bye.